Hi everyone. Okay, so today we're going to go to our ChemBank as usual and go to the simulations tab, and we're going to make use of our dot and cross simulations. Launch it. Okay, so we're going to practice NO2 today. Okay, so first let's put down the atoms. Okay, so you can see that nitrogen is the central atom. Oxygen will be placed either side, and then you fill in the valence electron. Nitrogen has 5, oxygen has 6. Okay, and then you pair them up. Okay, so you can get the 2 double bonds. But you notice that nitrogen is a period 2 element, and if you do it like this, 2 double bonds and a single lone electron, you end up with 9 electrons on nitrogen, which cannot be done, okay, because you will exceed octet. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to change one of them to a dative bond. So at the end of the day, right, we managed to keep it within the octet, but now nitrogen is left with 7 electrons. Okay, so it is accurate because total there's 17 outer electrons. You're definitely gonna have a radical form no matter how you pair it. Okay, so this is the exact dot and cross. There's no need to put this arrow, but I put it there to show you that a dative bond is being formed in place of a lone pair. Okay, so alternatively, right, if you prefer to hear the narration, and if you log into ChemBank yourself, right, this is free by the way, just go to ChemBank and sign up for it, log into the simulations page, and then just come to dot and cross simulations. Let me show you the narration, how they do it.
Nitrogen is the central atom, so the other atoms are placed around it. Fill in each atom's outer valence electrons. Pair single electrons together to make the single bonds.
Okay, so that is the narration for a simple molecule, ammonia. Okay, I'll show you one more.
Nitrogen is the central atom, the 4 hydrogens placed around it. Nitrogen has 5 outer electrons, and each hydrogen has 1. The ion is positive, so a hydrogen loses its electron and becomes H+. It is the least electronegative atom. Nitrogen shares with the 3 hydrogens that still have an electron, forming 3 bonds, and keeps a lone pair. The H+ has no electron of its own, so nitrogen's lone pair forms a dative bond to it. Now nitrogen has a full octet and all 4 bonds are identical. The whole ion carries a +1 charge, written outside the square brackets.
Alright, so this is the dot and cross for your ammonium ion. Okay, please go to the ChemBank, and there's actually extra practice for all of these ions that are fairly difficult. Okay, so go in there, log in, and then play around with it. If you like it, please remember to sign up for it. All right, either sign up for the trial class or the recording package, and you'll get the full access to the rest of the ChemBank, which is fantastic. All right, so I'll see you inside. Bye.